Imagine captivating millions of viewers with your talking AI-generated videos. Cool, right? Here at AI Techscape, we've got the ultimate recipe for mastering the art of making fascinating content that will leave your audience in awe. With Leonardo AI and ChatGPT as your ultimate allies, crafting compelling scripts and mesmerizing AI images is a breeze. But we won't stop there. We'll also reveal game-changing enhancements that will set your talking AI-generated videos apart from the crowd. So join us at AI Techscape, where the journey to becoming a video sensation starts here. Are you ready? If you are, then let's begin. In this digital age, social media platforms and AI tools have become powerful tools for individuals and business to connect with massive audiences and gain widespread recognition. The best thing about it? You can accomplish this in just a few minutes without the need for elaborate setups or expensive equipment. With numerous Instagram profiles and YouTube channels rapidly gaining popularity, it's evident that talking AI-generated video content has become a driving force in the online world. Gone are the days when producing high-quality videos required extensive time in scripting, filming, and editing, or hefty financial resources to hire professionals. Thanks to the advancements in AI technology, all you need is a reliable smartphone and a stable internet connection to create videos of comparable excellence. To kick things off, look up Leonardo AI and provide your email address. Then hit Launch App and click the Yes, I'm Whitelisted button. Afterward, head on to AI Image Generation. Choose the largest size and put your description, like a researcher in a pristine white lab coat focused on a camera lens. Additionally, select the Dream Shaper V5 model to achieve the optimal outcome. When you're done, click on Generate. You'll receive 4 AI images, and if any captivates your attention, just hit Upscale and then download the image to your computer. Next, let's focus on crafting an engaging script for your video. And who better to help than ChatGPT? Feel free to request any content you desire from ChatGPT, but remember to give it clear instructions to channel its creativity. After typing your prompt, watch as ChatGPT showcases its brilliance by conjuring a script that will genuinely fascinate and educate your viewers. Moving along, you're now ready to animate your video using the AI-generated image you created a while ago. Here's the step-by-step process. Head to d-id.com and choose the free trial option. Once you gain access, click on the Create Video feature. Notice the small plus symbol? Give it a click, and then register using your email ID or conveniently connect it with your Google account. Next, click Add and upload the image you recently downloaded. To further enhance your video, it's ideal to integrate it with a suitable voice and style. Explore a plethora of selections available until you find the one that perfectly suits your AI image. And remember, you can listen to the voice and style before finishing. If you discover the perfect voice that excites you, press the Generate Video button. It will inform you about the number of credits required for this task. As a default, each user will have 20 credits. But worry not, users can buy additional credits or make another account using a different email ID to receive more credits completely free of charge. And watch as your video springs to life. When it's complete, just proceed to download it. Moving along, the best part doesn't end there. While many people follow the same approach, we're about to elevate your video quality significantly by avoiding the simple download and upload method that often results in poorer quality. Instead, we're stepping up your game. You can enhance your video by incorporating captivating captions. To make this happen, we recommend using the excellent free video editing software CapCut. After setting up CapCut, easily import the video you recently created and seamlessly place it on the timeline. To start, access the text feature and select Auto Captions. A quick press on Create will instantly display your magically generated captions. You can enlarge the captions to ensure easy readability making them easily understandable for your audience. But that's not all. We're taking it up a notch. Let's also focus on making these captions aesthetically pleasing. Choose the font settings and activate the stroke and shadow effects to add the extra wow factor. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust sentence length, maintaining a smooth flow by splitting sentences into two halves with the Enter key. Once your captions are done, it's time to export your creation. Select Export and choose the 1080p resolution for high-quality output. But wait, we are not done yet! Let's enhance the video quality and take it to new heights. First, save the video to your phone by either transferring it from your PC or sending it via WhatsApp. Once the video is on your phone, it's time to utilize the Wink app for further improvements. Download and install the Wink app, then access the image quality option to get started. Try out the enhancements by selecting Try Now and selecting the video you saved earlier. The duration of the enhancement process will depend on your internet speed. When the process is done, proceed to enhance it further by selecting the improved video once again. Now, import the final video into your video editor. Within the editor, you'll find a filter section where you can adjust according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied, save your changes by clicking the checkmark symbol and then export the video by pressing the blue Export button. Afterward, choose your desired resolution for the exported video. While exporting, make sure not to close the app until it's finished. Now, when you compare the original and the edited video, you'll be amazed by the remarkable difference. Before uploading the video on Instagram, ensure that the Upload at Highest Resolution option is enabled in your account settings. This will maintain the exceptional quality of your video when shared on the platform. Time to put your fantastic creation out into the world. Head over to Instagram or YouTube depending on where you want to upload your video and follow the standard steps to create a new post. You can use ChatGPT to create an attention-grabbing caption that complements your video and relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Make sure to also select a captivating thumbnail that entices viewers to click and watch your video. Once you've uploaded your video, don't forget to engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share your video with friends and followers. Building a strong connection with your audience will help you gain more views and followers in the long run. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating and uploading engaging videos regularly to keep your audience hooked and coming back for more. Experiment with different ideas, formats, and topics to see what resonates best with your viewers. Lastly, don't forget to track your video's performance. Use analytics tools provided by Instagram and YouTube to monitor views, engagement, and audience demographics. This data will help you understand what content works best and guide your future video creation efforts. Bottom line, creating viral videos that capture millions of views on Instagram, YouTube, or any platform is possible with the right tools and strategies. Utilize AI-powered image and script generation tools like Leonardo AI and ChatGPT to create captivating visuals and compelling scripts. Enhance your video's quality with the Wink app and CapCut, and optimize your content for maximum engagement on social media platforms. Stay consistent, keep experimenting, and interact with your audience to build a loyal following and achieve viral success. There you have it, AI enthusiast! You've just unlocked the secrets to creating viral talking AI-generated videos thanks to the power of fantastic AI tools. Now, it's your turn to shine on AI Techscape. Hit that subscribe button and join our community to stay updated with all the mind-blowing content we have in store for you. Like and comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to turn on the bell for instant notifications. We can't wait to see your captivating creations, and together, we'll conquer the digital world with the magic of AI. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, right here on AI Techscape.